it's absolutely Sajid Khan kind of movies.
The best talker is Deepika. Say nice things.
I'll only say nice things. I'll tell you the bad things later.
Houseful will be the biggest hit of 2010.
Well, I work with young girls like Deepika, so that makes me feel young.
Night show, as soon as the censor certificate comes, he's sleeping. Arjun is a party animal, bro.
How was it wearing a swimsuit?
How was it very good?
How is it? We're wearing bikinis. Y'all are wearing kacha.
Anybody who wears kacha is supposed to be a regular guy.
It's on Twitter. Everything is on Twitter. Very soon you'll see the whole film on Twitter.
It was the worst experience of his life ever.
Why would you say that?
Why would you say that? Because you were not there.
Yeah.
And her trust decider.
बेटा वो गाना करके दिखाना अब वो गाना लगाना
मेरा बेटा कितना अच्छा नाचता है और वही गाना
अपनी तो जैसे तैसे and we should
अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे.
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar
Hi, this is Deepika Padukone.
I am Sajid Khan.
and you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.
.com.
Oh girl, you're mine. Oh girl, you're mine.
We have the super hit team of Houseful with us, Sajid Khan, Deepika Padukone and Akshay Kumar, looking fabulous as ever. Great pleasure having you in Bollywood Hangama first of all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Thank you
for
very
calling
much.
us.
Every morning we always go on Bollywood Hangama first.
In fact, one of the things that Sajid Khan told me a few days back that Houseful is a combination of Rishikesh Mukherjee and Manmohan Desai brand of cinema. What do you have to say about that?
If he said, he must be thinking about it in that way because I see it in a different way. And my way, it's absolutely Sajid Khan kind of movies because just like how Hey Baby was, this is also that kind of a genre. But if we insist on that, I think Sajid, you'll be a better person to say what it
What I
is
said
about.
was it will remind people of Rishikesh Mukherjee kind of movies and Manmohan Desai kind of movies. But right now, amongst the three of us, the best talker is Deepika.
Fantastic. And Deepika Padukone, she's looking lovely in this yellow dress.
Thank you.
Fantastic. What do you have to say about Houseful?
What do I have to say about
Say nice
Houseful?
things. थोड़ा झूठ बोलो.
I'll only say nice things. I'll tell you the bad things later. It's a fantastic comedy film. It's the first time that I'm attempting this genre. But at the same time, I think it's. Stop looking at me like that.
No,
both
you're
of you.
saying सही बोल रही है कि गलत बोल रही
Okay.
है? अब तक सही है.
But at the same time, there's a lot of romance, there's drama, there's emotion.
Which part is the emotional part?
Which part is the emotional part?
Okay. You want me
Let's
to
see.
tell them the whole thing? I'll tell them the whole thing.
No, don't give it. It's like a suspense kind of a treatment to a comedy film.
There's a little thriller.
Yeah.
वॉल्यूम कम कर.
You had claimed that Houseful is going to the biggest hit of all times. Now with Three Idiots and My Name
I
is
take my claim back of the biggest times, but yes, Three Idiots came in 2009. 2010 has just started. Houseful will be the biggest hit of 2010. Because Houseful, like Three Idiots, possesses something which is called repeat value. It will never get the respect that Three Idiots got. Because Three Idiots is a very respectable film. But for the genre of entertainment, all of you all will see Houseful minimum 2 to 3 times. That is my word of honor.
You're saying that it will be bigger than My Name is Khan.
Yes.
Sajid Khan is claiming that Houseful is going to be the biggest hit of this year, even bigger than My Name is Khan. Okay, in fact, one of your fans on Twitter from America, she said that, how do you manage to remain so fit?
Well, I work with young girls like Deepika. And so that makes me feel young and that's how I make myself feel young.
But you're
And-
very regular with your fitness regimen as well.
Well, I try level best to do different kind of
He
stuff.
wakes up at 4 a.m. He goes to bed at 9 a.m.
Yes.
9 is late.
We
He
cannot
goes to
go
sleep
for
by
a night
8.
show ever because night show, as soon as the censor certificate comes, he's sleeping.
I do sleep at 9:30 and my day starts at 4:30.
Which actually, Faridun, is the best thing for any filmmaker because when you make a film with so many stars, and stars always come 10, 15, 20 minutes late, you have to give them that kind of grace. But when their spearhead is someone like Akshay Kumar who comes before the unit arrives on set, then everybody else also starts coming on time. So if Houseful got completed in record time of almost 3 months, which is very small for a film which is so huge, it is largely thanks to him.
This is said about you that you make your movies very fast. And I remember we did the interview for De Dhanadhan and we did at 6:30 in the morning. And you were shooting for Khatta Meetha immediately after that. And that
Did I
movie...
call you at 6:30?
Yeah, at Novotel.
Okay, sorry. I hope you didn't mind that.
No, I didn't mind that at all. But it's really appreciable.
I think early morning, if you start any work, first of all, it gets complete very fast. You can beat the traffic also. Plus, you look fresh. And that's the real time to work.
Yeah, but you look fresh because you sleep early.
So am I stopping you to sleep early?
No, but we can't sleep
When
early.
most
So
people
then
go to
why
sleep
don't
at
you?
6 a.m. is when you're waking up.
Yeah, what about my Arjun? And Ritesh.
Ritesh gets up early.
Yeah, Ritesh gets up.
I don't know about Arjun क्योंकि मैं उसको देखा नहीं कभी सोते
Arjun
हुए.
is a party animal, bro.
You're wearing a swimsuit in the film. In fact, all the girls are wearing swimsuit in the film. For the first time, you've worn a swimsuit. Something about that.
It's a partial swimsuit. It's not a full-on swimsuit.
No, but how was it wearing a swimsuit?
How was it very good?
How is it? It felt the same like if I was wearing a gown in the movie. It's the same
Fantastic.
feeling.
Something more from you about that. I think even Jia Khan and Lara Datta. It's quite a sight. We've seen the images.
You have?
Yeah, we saw it. Again.
No. It's on Twitter. Everything is on Twitter. Very soon you'll see the whole film on Twitter. It's part of a song. It's shot on a beautiful island called Puglia in Italy. Farah, my sister, choreographed the song.
Right.
And it's very, very aesthetic looking, and it doesn't look bad or cheap or vulgar. And all these three girls have fabulous figures. Both my heroes are looking fantastic. Akshay is looking super bare body. Ritesh is looking, he's gone and got himself some
They're wearing
six-pack.
kachas.
They're wearing kachas. They've got six-pack abs.
We're wearing bikinis. All are wearing kacha.
That's a kacha.
Okay, fine. Let me say this is the language you want to use in this mine.
Yeah.
Something about your character, in fact, that a lot of speculation around what you're playing in the film.
Anybody who wears kacha is supposed to be a regular guy.
Fantastic. Something more about that.
I'm playing this guy who's actually jinxed. His luck will only change the day he finds true love. And suddenly, 3 women in his life, they come.
He's playing the world's unluckiest person.
तेरी बीवी मेरी बहन, तेरी होने वाली बीवी तेरी बीवी मेरी बहन. ये हर बार हर औरत तेरी बीवी और मेरी बहन बन जाती है और तेरी किस्मत खराब है.
He's playing a very jinxed person, and the only thing that can change his luck, he believes, is true love. And the story is about his quest to find true love and how it leads him, along with the heroine, along with the other heroes, in a lot of trouble, only to change his
how
luck.
one lie leads to another lie leads to another lie.
But I don't lie. They've come upon an idea like,
जिस झूठ से किसी का घर बसता है वो झूठ नहीं होता.
this is what they tell me to say. कि that's why I should lie. जिस झूठ से किसी का घर बसता हो वो झूठ नहीं होता.
What are your favorite scenes in the film?
My favorite scene is one of the gundas take her phone and run away, so I have to fight that. Yeah.
So there's a scene in the film where a small monkey takes away her mobile phone, and to impress her, he goes to
Get
get the
her phone back. That scene is children are going to like it a lot. My son was there while I was shooting that, and he has laughed. And that's, I presume, so all the children are going to love that scene because the way that marker has behaved, or monkey, I think is one of the very hilarious scene for children.
Hey Baby was, I think, one of the first films that became very huge overseas for you, personally. And it's one of your biggest hits of all time. How do you look back at Hey Baby now?
How do I look back?
It was the worst experience of his life ever.
Why would you say
Why
that?
would you say that? Because you were not there in the film.
Yeah.
I'll tell Vidya about it.
Even I'll tell Vidya about it. And her dress designer.
Okay, a lot of people are missing your pairing with Vidya Balan. A lot of people say that. Bhool Bhulaiya and Hey Baby, you look great, both of you.
Yeah, we have 100% result with each other. Yes, I'm actually looking forward to work with her again. And I presume by next year too, we should start a film.
Okay, Apni To Jaise Taise. You're shooting the song today. Something about that particular song.
Oh, well,
Mr. Bachchan was amazing in that particular song.
yeah, obviously we can't compete with him.
Obviously.
And thank you. Okay. Also, we have always grown up seeing that song. I remember, घर में कब कोई मेहमान आ जाता है, the mom, dad और हमारे relatives, बेटा वो गाना करके दिखाना, अब वो गाना लगाना,
मेरा बेटा कितना अच्छा नाचता है. और वही
हाँ,
गाना.
अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, and we should, and all those kind of things. So I'm sure आपके भी घर पे आपको भी नचाया होगा.
Not on this song.
Not on this song. Which one was yours?
I don't know. I was more like a two.
With Julia, haha, I love Julie, love you.
Faridun, I'm getting a little scared now. As a child, why would you dance a softer number? Julia.
I was saying, I was not asked to
Julie loves Farida.
And one more thing, Akshay Kumar is a fabulous dancer. And what I meant by no comparison with Mr. Bachchan is because he's altogether in different league. And I think
You cannot compete yourself with him. I have great memories with him from my childhood. It is impossible, but we are still trying to go and copy the song. Sajid, we need that.
Yeah, we're doing the signature step.
One signature, one.
For Mr. Bachchan as a tribute. See, you have to give it to the song. It's Kishore Kumar. You cannot match Kishore Kumar's voice. I could not work with Mika. So the song goes into a completely different zone.
Yeah.
We've kept the original elements intact. Shankar Ehsaan Loy have done the best remix, redux kind of a song ever. It's a new song, but it's the old song. It's not the original, but it's an original. So it's everything.
It was not not a small monkey, Sajid. There was a very big monkey.
It was a chimpanzee.
King Kong.
Yeah. It was a chimpanzee. You know, it was a बंदर यार, डुगडुगी वाला बंदर.
हाँ डुगडुगी वाला ही तो था. कौन सा
still-
बड़ा मतलब?
हाँ,
क्या?
छोटा cute
हाँ
सा बंदर.
वो अलग है. Italian था वो.
हाँ, Italian banda.
Italian marker. We call it Italian marker. Deepika and he have gone out for a date. That's okay. They've gone out for
He's
a
our
date.
friend.
And
You won't tell
He
him.
won't tell anybody.
this is हमारा झूठ मूठ का है.